In this lecture, we will see how to take the input from the user. So let's begin. The input keyword is used to take the input from the user. But we have to store the input value into some variable. So let's store it in the variable a and then print the input. And we can use the plus or comma both because we are dealing with the strings here, so no problem. So let's save the file and run the program, and our file name is the user input.py. So here it is asking us to give the input, so let's give the input hello. Okay, so it printed the input what we gave to the program. So let's modify our program, enter any input, and run the program again by saving the file. So enter any input. So here we can clearly see that it is demanding us to give the input. So again, give the input. Here I am giving the input hello, the codes. Okay, so whatever input we gave, it just printed here. So it is working. So what if we want to give the input integer value? So this is a place in Python where we need to specify the data type. Here we cannot accept the input in the integer form or in the float form. It will give the error. So in order to take the integer input, we need to specify the integer data type like this. And we need to change the statement as well because we cannot concatenate the string into an integer. So we can use the comma here. Let's save the file and run the program again. Clear the screen for better visibility. Okay, so it is demanding as input again. Let's give the value 100 and then press the enter. Okay, so it is working. And let's write the program for the float as well. And we can give the integer value in this program as well. So let's give an integer again, 200. So it printed the output, but it converted integer value into the float. So this is how we can take the input from the user. So in the next lecture, we will make a simple program by taking the input from the user and then calculate their average.